Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Nissan Silvia S15 Spec or Aero, and this is by Majorette, and this is from the tune-up series. More specifically, this is from their JDM Legend series. So okay, you can see moving parts here. So I really love this particular series. It looks absolutely awesome. Okay, let me open this. It is a bit hard not to damage the box. I mean the card. Anyway, I don't think I will be saving this particular serious card anyways. Let's see. Okay, the card art looks really nice. I mean, it has a little bit of dust to it because it is kind of in my bedroom for nearly 2 weeks without touching it. Yeah, so it looks really beautiful. Okay, let me put this outside. Let's get into the casting now. I was hoping there is some kind of joining part here. Okay, fine. Anyway, I'm going to throw this out. So here is the box art, one side of box art, and here is another side of box art. This looks absolutely beautiful. Okay, yeah. So let me just get right into this accessories. Okay, so we are having a body kit and like two set of tires. So let me put this aside. Okay, here is the body kit itself. So this and that, okay, this one, these both are same. There is no difference at all apart from the paint job. So in case if you want to get any one, my personal suggestion would be go and get that particular one, because I don't know if you saw that video. If you didn't, go back to last week's video and see this. That looks absolutely gorgeous along with the trailer there, the paint job and everything, including that the trim on the wheels they did. That looks absolutely amazing. And this color also looks really good, but I prefer that one because that is something, it looks exotic. Okay, so here is the body kit. Okay, nothing else to talk about here, so let's get into the casting now. So it has a little bit of scratches here. Honestly, I didn't had any scratches on that one, but this one actually has some scratches. So you can see the livery here. That does look really good. I mean, they went with the Japanese theme really well. So it has taillight detailing here, and it has acrylic headlights, and the acrylic headlights, the color of the acrylic headlights that matches with the windshield color here, and also the trim on the wheels here. So the body is fully metal, chassis is fully plastic, and it has opening part here. Let me. Okay, so it has opening doors. I was trying for the engine bay. Okay, so it has good interior detailing to it. You can see it here. That looks really good. So let me. This snaps really well back into place, and it has wipers on the rear and on the front as well. And the logo here is really nice. It has some grill details here. Okay, so you can see the exhaust here. I think when you put the body, okay, it is still on the left side when you put the body kit. Okay, let's weigh this casting before we put the body kit in. 37 grams, not bad at all. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, that actually rolls really well. I was not honestly expecting that, but it does roll really well and fast as well. Yeah. So let me put the body kit right now. Okay. Let's put the tires. Think we are good. Okay, so here it is. This is how it looks with everything put on. You can see the exhaust here with the body kit on. So it looks really good. So the body kit looks actually similar to that Supra one. I mean, I don't see much of a difference here, like they did previous times. See in this body kits you can see a lot of difference with these three, and let me show you there also. Those three, that's I think the Subaru. Think so? No, that's the Toyota. I think GT86 and the Dodge Charger here, and you can see that Snowflake. I mean, that's a Volkswagen, and the Audi here. Everything looks really different in this. So I mean, the entire series, even here you can see. So both Lamborghinis have different livery. I mean, these are rare, ultra rare kind of thing. So everything looked entirely different. So maybe one or two looked same. Those two Broncos you can see, the only difference between those two are uh, okay, the colors, and on top of that, the accessory on the top that actually changed from surfboard to like the things, personal things kind of thing. Okay, so this one looks really nice actually. So again, if you want to pick any one from the series, again go for that one. So if you're not able to get that one, and then but if you are able to see this in pics, get this one. So end of the day, both are same casting, but that looks way more cooler in my opinion. So maybe yours might differ. So let's rate this casting, and this looks again really awesome, and I'm giving it 10 out of 10 without any hesitation. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.